Solve the system of equations given below. So what I did is I wrote these two equations on a piece of paper. I actually wrote them side by side, which might be a little bit helpful. We're going to be using substitution, and ultimately what happens when we're using substitution is that we need to have something like x equals or y equals in our equation. So as I move my iPad here out of the way, again what I did is I wrote down the two problems, and what we're going to do is we're going to look for a variable that has no number in front of it. And what I see here is that x in this first equation has no number in front of it. So what we want to do is we want to rearrange this equation, solving for x. And that's going to require us to solve by subtracting 2y from both sides. We get x equals -4 minus 2y. If you wrote -2y minus 4, that'll work as well. And now that we have an x equals, or it could have been, it's not, but it could have been y equals, we're going to take this value and we're going to put it into the other equation where we see x. And we're putting it in because it says x equals. So this is 2 times -4 minus 2y, I don't know why I switched colors, plus 3y equals 1. And now we're going to solve. Here and here, 2 times -4 is -8. 2 times -2y is -4y, plus 3y equals 1. When we combine like terms here, we get -8 minus 1y equals 1. We're going to move the 8 to the other side, and we end up with -1y equals 9. And then finally, we're going to divide both sides by -1. So y equals -9. Now that we know that y equals -9, just taking a quick glance at Edmentum, we actually can pick the right answer. It seems that it's going to be the first choice. But I am going to go back just to show you. Let's make sure. We're going to take this value of -9. We're going to put it back into this equation here. -4 minus 2 times -9. And we get -4 plus 18. You could type that into Desmos, by the way. And we get x equals 14. And remember, we write these as ordered pairs. So x goes first, y goes second. And just like I said on Edmentum, first answer.